This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
My dear friends, if you love crafts and arts, I'm opening a super exciting museum for you. You'll see cool toys, unusual mechanisms, and cute animals no one has ever seen before.
Can I buy a ticket, Sammy? Huh?
It was a smart pick. Thanks for your support.
But where are the exhibits?
Right now, I only have the name and the concept. Isn't it enough?
Nope. You need to get the exhibits first, Sammy.
Sue, could you maybe help me with these exhibits? I'm lost here.
Sure thing, Sammy. Do you have a plan?
Sure, I'll tell you more about it in a bit. Guys, stay with us and get ready for something cool. Hello? I've been waiting for over 5 minutes. Where is the delivery?
Sammy, is this the delivery we're waiting for? There are tons of packages here.
Woohoo! They are here! Let's get down to work. These are the future exhibits of my museum.
Huh, look, an instruction.
Give this instruction to me. We don't need it. Let's use our creativity instead.
Really, Sammy? How can we put it together?
It is called art. We'll follow our inspiration and see what happens. That makes it way more fun. What do these pieces look like?
Well, I've got one idea.
I can't wait to see what Sue is going to make. Will it be an animal?
Wait a bit, and you'll see.
I'm a little confused here, Sue. What is this?
A bit of patience, my friend.
Wow, looks cool! Hello, I'm Sam. And what is your name?
Hey, I'm Flamey the Firebot. Beep, boop.
Aw, this robot is so cute. I want to be its friend. Flamey, would you like to be the first exhibit in my new museum?
Wow! If your exhibits are this amazing, everyone will want to come see them.
Time for the second exhibit, Sue. Yep, here it goes. Instructions are for the week.
Let's see what we have here. I think I know what we can make out of these pieces.
I just love watching Sue work. It feels so relaxing. You are doing great, Sue. Yep, these brown blocks should stay together. Press on it.
What would I do without your help, Sammy?
Oh, it would be hard. But I have to leave you now.
I wonder where he went. Anyway, I'll just fit this piece right here.
Wow, it's a mysterious candy monster. It's so rare. How did we even get it? Now, take a look at this. Put your hands together, guys. Meet the most cheerful exhibit in my collection, Trophy Bot.
Sammy, I think something went wrong here.
Well, if you think so, you can take it apart and fix it. You know what? You can even use the instruction. Aren't I the kindest?
Let's see. Got it! First, I'll build the platform. Try to guess what I'm making now, friends. Yes, it's a vase with flowers.
Whoa! Looks pretty. But Trophy-Bot was cute, too. Anyway, I'll move on to the next exhibit.
Let's add a little magic to speed this up. Ta-da! The faster we work, the sooner we can open. We need 2 purple handles, here and here. Tricky! All done! A brand new sofa for your collection.
Thanks, Sue. Now take a look at this. It's one-of-a-kind bug. I know everyone will want to check it out.
Oh, this bee? I admit, it's super cute. Bees love flowers. And look, I just made one.
Let's put them all together. It's like a garden. Our bee will feel great there. Sue, where could we use this piece? It's cool.
I know the perfect place. Right here. Ta-da!
Aw, what a cute little puppy. Come here. Hold on, I just want to play.
How about the craft, Sammy?
I'm still faster than this puppy. Stay still, buddy. It's finally back with its friends.
Good news, Sammy. I've made 2 more exhibits. Do you think they match the rest?
Huh, they look great. Let's see how my museum will look now.
Sure. Let's put together everything we've made.
Wow, my museum has just opened. But look how cool it is. Huh? What's this, Sue? Some secret project?
Oh, I almost forgot about it. Look, this is a special board that shows my love for my friend Sammy. It's a very important exhibit.
Oh, Sue, that's so sweet of you. I love you too. Huh? Wait, there is someone at the door. Another delivery? My poor slimy muscles. Sue, did you order this super heavy box?
I didn't. Could you forget about something you ordered? Huh? Uh-oh, the box is shaking.
Huh? Holy cannoli, what's going on?
Greetings. I've heard you're opening a museum.
Yeah. But how did you find us?
And what's inside this box? They're sticky.
These are my friends, fuzzballs. We're tired of living in this box.
So, do you want to stay at my museum?
Yes, please. We can turn into super cool things.
If you say so. Sammy, what else do you need?
How about a giraffe? I really want an exotic animal.
No problem. It's gonna be a rainbow giraffe. First, we need to make its head.
I like how fuzzballs stick together.
Yep, we can use them to make anything.
And we also have special accessories that can help you build anything you want. Take a look, our greatest treasure, and you can use it to create the coolest exhibits ever.
Ooh, it's just like my collection of wigs. I feel like we'll find common ground.
I see you've made a new friend, Sammy.
Yeah! Oh, the giraffe is almost ready. So cool! It's gonna be super popular.
What do you think, guys? I'll just add the tail.
Don't forget about the eyes, Sue.
Right, just on time, Sammy.
Amazing! My fuzzballs are happy, Sue.
This giraffe is adorable. What's its name, Sammy?
I'll call it Spotty. Wait, what's going on? Catch it, Sue!
Stop, little caterpillar. Where are you going?
Sue, it needs eyes to see that there is nothing scary about us.
Don't be afraid. We are friends.
Sue, it wants to tell us something. We need to give it a mouth.
Much better.
Thank you, guys. I can see and talk now. Sue, let's make another animal. I like them. Oh, it's a little snail. Would you like to live at my museum? Of course. Thanks for inviting me. Well, let's see. Is there anything else?
Oh, Sammy, are you okay?
I'm fine. Woohoo! There are still a lot of fuzzballs left.
Ouch! Oh, ouch! Sammy, watch out, please.
Ta-da! How do you like my craft, Sue?
Oh, what a cute little mushroom. So pretty.
That's not all. The real masterpiece is coming up.
Seems like your museum is ready to open.
I think so too. Friends, stay with us to see my cool museum and all the amazing exhibits.
Sammy, what are these schemes?
Huh? These are the instructions we didn't use. Why?
Did you check them? We can make one big craft out of the small ones.
But are you serious? We can put these tiny exhibits into something big? Flamey, you can become part of... what exactly can we make out of them, Sue?
See for yourself, Sammy. A teddy bear!
Will we need to take apart the other exhibits?
Unfortunately, yes. But it'll be worth it. First, I'll separate all the pieces.
Oh no, that's too much. Oh, I can't watch. Call me when you're done.
I've finished, Sammy. Come back.
I'm so sorry about that. We'll always remember you.
Sammy, wait. I managed to make a copy with the help of magic.
That's a different story. Let's take them apart.
If you say so. Done. Woohoo! Look at all these building blocks.
Our teddy bear is going to be huge.
I can't wait to see the result. Let's start. I think we should add some decorations. These flowers will do.
I already like it. I think this teddy will be the gem of my collection.
Yeah, it will be amazing and very big. Have you guessed what it is, guys? You'll figure it out soon. First, I need to decorate it.
Here's the piece you asked for.
Amazing, Sammy. That's just what we need.
It's a swing. Can I play on it?
No, it's for our teddy bear.
Oh.
By the way, it's time to assemble it.
I won't give up. This swing looks fun.
The bear is almost finished. It will need the swing soon. Voila! And its little paws. You can finally go on the swing.
Wait, Sue, that's not all. I've got an idea. Ta-da! Hold on. Much better. What else could we use?
It's very creative, Sammy. I really love it.
Wait till you see the final result of my super creative mind.
Here, a bunch of balloons for you.
Wow! The bear is showing us how much it loves us. We love you too, little bear. Sue, we are finally finished.
You are right. It's so sweet. And now we can get ready to open the museum.
Welcome, everyone. You can walk around, but don't touch the exhibits.
What an amazing collection! Where did they get it?
Wow!
I've never seen a bug like this. Barbie, look!
It's just a bee. But look at this giant teddy bear.
I don't even know what to pick! They're all awesome!
Thanks, Sammy. This place is amazing. This is for you.
Thank you. It means a lot to me. Please come again.
Wow, Sammy, you got so much money. But what do you need it for?
For the newest Mega Super Gaming Computer, the S26. You can play literally any game on it. Look! We can even play crafting games.
Oh, I see. Sam's gonna be busy for a long time. Bye-bye, guys. Sam, are there any games for me?
What brings you to the Great Oak?
Hi, Ellery. We're just coming to get some acorns. They're all gone.
Finders keepers. Anyway, you lilybuds have lots of food. Why do you need acorns?
We promised some in exchange for magic seeds to a chipmunk named Ellington.
Ellington? Unusual name.
Actually, he has the same blue fur as you. Are you related?
I can't keep track of every relative with blue fur. However, since I'm in a generous mood, I'll give you the acorns I gathered if you take me to see this Ellsworth, was it?
Ellington, so where are all your acorns?
Hidden far away. Come along. We'll get them later.
Nothing's happening.
Let's use some of our lilybud powers to give Ellington seeds a boost. Come on, let's go together. Oh no, Cap. I think we've used up all our magic.
So let's just wait for the seeds to grow. Ellington said it wouldn't take long.
It is rather nice here in the sun.
Ellington, here, have the last of my mini cherries. I don't need them because of your magic seeds. We'll soon have fresh figs.
Hey, Bucky, why don't we go pick those figs for Thorn right now?
Yeah, one more song, eh?
Go, Ellington!
Sorry to wake you. You look so peaceful underneath that bean plant.
Bean plant? You mean fig tree?
This is supposed to be a fig tree. That's what Ellington said.
Ellington, the little chipmunk with the suitcase?
Yes, he gave us magic seeds in exchange for acorns. Thistle and Lilac are gathering some now at the Great Oak. Wait, did he trick us?
I don't know, but we'll find out. Spearmint, let's ride. Thistle!
must have already gathered them all. Oh!
Here are the acorns. But why would they leave them here? Something's not right.
Stop the music!
But Chef Thorne, I was just getting my groove on.
Get it on later. I need to ask Ellington an important question. What's your favorite fig dish, since you're the guest of honor at my fig-themed fall dinner? Oh, thank you, Thorne. But once Thistle and Lilac return with the acorns, I shall be off to spread more joy. Joy can wait. I insist you stay for dinner as our guest.
What? Thorn! I can't believe you're inviting a chipmunk to dinner when you have never once invited me.
That's because this chipmunk is charming and helpful. Ellington, meet Ellery.
His suitcase is gone too.
I'll go look for him. He's probably halfway across the park by now, spreading his joy. What a guy.
I'll go and fetch your new friend. You can come out now, cousin.
They'll hear you. I don't want them to know we're related, cousin. Oh,
You should have thought of that before. What are you doing here?
only pulling off the biggest trick ever. I got the lilybuds to collect acorns for me in exchange for plain old bean seeds. I'm good.
You don't trick the lilybuds with seeds. They grow things. That's what they do. And you don't ask for mere acorns. Not when Thorn can make you cakes and pies.
Oh, a good point well made.
Young cousin, don't feel bad. Now come along. We might as well play this trick out.
So it might have been an honest mistake. Maybe Ellington gave us the wrong magic seeds.
Nah, I snuck a look in his suitcase. They were all bean seeds.
At least we didn't give him any acorns, since Ellery took them all.
Look at the time. Dear friends, I must be going. So please don't bother with getting me any acorns and enjoy your figs.
Actually, Ellington, the seeds you gave us were...
Spectacular, delicious, a fig wonderland.
The seeds were perfect, but do you think we could have just one more?
I have found, Rose, that these magic seeds don't always work.
We'll find out. I'm going to plant it right now. Yeah.
What do I do, cousin? You know that's nothing but a bean seed.
Let me think.
Isn't this exciting? We're going to see your magic seeds at work. The three of us have had a chance to sleep. I think we've got our powers back enough to grow a fig tree.
But those are figs. The magic seeds are real.
Thank you, Ellington. We couldn't have done that without you.
Rose, I found this sack of acorns.